Hello guys, welcome to Tech and Tour. So here we are going to provide you every information of IT field and non-IT field. If you want to get updates and a link whatever you had been required for the job, then join our WhatsApp, Telegram or YouTube. If you want to get by sitting in a home you will be get guys. It is a best opportunity we are going to provide you. So let's start guys without any wasting our time. So guys, today's company is Atos Syntel. So let's see what are the requirement for a placement. So if you go through it once the company, will be get a small clarity about their company. So let's see what are the requirements of placement. Company name as we know, Atos Syntel. Position is trainee engineer. You must be work as a trainee engineer. Salary is 3 lakh guys. It is a best salary. Batches is only for 2023. So this batch people or a student can be applied for this company. Experience fresher. So for fresher they are going to give you 3 lakh guys. It is the best only in industry. Location they had been mentioned lot of places, whichever you had been near Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, so you can be apply for it. Last day they didn't mention as much as fast you must be apply. If you want to get a job updates of day to day, then join our Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube. Just one click guys, you will be join automatically. So here they had been mentioned job responsibilities. 2023 full time graduate only from recognized university courses and stream. BE BTech Computer Science Information Technology, BSc MSc CS IT PCM Statics, Bachelor in Computer Science Application, BCS BCA, MCA Computer Application. A grade minimum 60% guys in 10th and 12th. So backlogs, no active backlogs at the time of joining. Well, if you have already backlogs, then you must be completed before you are going to join the company. So education break, maximum 1 year of education is allowed. So it is a fine 1 year of education. More than 1 year they won't be allowed for you. Eligible criteria: graduate from any discipline, diploma or above experience in a technical background or other work experience with involves analytic skills be a beneficial. So here they had been mentioned a perfect skill: communication, customer service support, problem solving, decision making, creativity, good writing and verbal communication skill, master in English and local language, flexible to write in a shift. Flexible to work at any shift. So you must be flexible at a afternoon, night, morning. You must be work whichever they had been assigned for you. If you want to apply, then just a double click guys. You will be get one form, then fill that form. As much as fast you must be apply. I hope you had been got all the clarities of today's company. Whoever had been interested, you can be join it or apply for it. Thank you.